Big thunderstorm warning issued for Carroll, Columbiana.
Block for them, along with top draft pick Prince.
Tuscawaras, here we go.
Weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Columbiana County and east central Ohio, northwestern Carroll County and east central Ohio,
hits another
Tuscarawas County and east central Ohio until 8:15
tonight.
p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Looking at
At 7:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Dover, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and vehicle-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Expect damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include New Philadelphia, Dover, Minerva, Strasburg, Cigar Creek, Malvern, Bolivar, Mineral City, Perry, Stone Creek, Zor, and East Rochester. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for East Central Ohio. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Carroll, Columbiana, and Tuscarawas. This is NOAA Weather Radio KDO 94 originating from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Cleveland. We supply information from Northeast Inland Ohio over KDO 94.